Hey, this is the dashboard here. In this video, we're going to see something highly illegal. A guy riding a four-wheeler on a paved road. Not terrible in itself, but what he does next is what's bad. He runs the red light and then takes off like the cops are chasing him. He disappeared ahead of me. I never saw him again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
Now, he is not supposed to. Did you just see that?
I did. He's on camera too. He's hauling ass too.
They're not meant for the highway.
Yeah,
Because he don't care.
he don't give a shit.
How did I know she was going to Orange Park? Yeah, he's still hauling ass.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.